So those are the trim pieces for the seat pillar. I fixed this one because it was broken in half, the original one. Original looked like those. Just removed the piece of the original one and JB weld a new bolt on there. And the other one had two broken, so yeah. And now I'm gonna put some matte black paint on those because the finish was not so great. So now I'm gonna let those dry a bit and apply a few more coats like that. Now I'm gonna show how to T-bead a tire of the rim using a car. And just some metal that I welded together. Usually the other side needs a little more work. Alright, that was not very easy. So now I'm gonna remove those old valves, I guess they are called. And I'm also going to remove those weights, which this one doesn't have any. This one has one here. Two on the other side. On the other side. So next I'm gonna start wire wheeling those down. Next time I'm gonna attempt to clean any wheels by hand. Remind me not to. Nice! Alright! As you saw, got all the wheels painted, and thanks to my mate Tavi, got those tires installed as well, and now I can put those onto the car. Yeah, this is looking the way I like. All the tires have been fitted. Also adjusted the steering locks so that the tires would not drop. Those are 245 70 R16. Internet told me that those are the biggest size that would fit without needing to cut anything, so yeah. Don't really want to go too fast because I have some stuff to do inside the wheel well, so I don't want to get this dirt and mud everywhere. Don't you guys fall? drastically. I love it. Obviously there is a lot of work to do on the inside part. For instance, this doesn't work, the heater blower, rear door windows don't operate, plus all the seats and stuff, those are quite crappy as well, but I think I'm gonna just clean up the frames and use those for now, and in the future I will try to find nice ones. You fell again, mate. Yep, definitely loving it. Seriously, man, this is cool. Like, really cool. Holy hell. I'm one happy camper, mate. Let me know in the comments what you think, guys. Yeah, I know, I'm loving those tires and all the look of this car now. And thank you all, guys, for watching, and keep watching my videos. And new viewers, if you like what I do, always leave a like. That helps the channel out a lot. And yeah, motivates me to make more videos and stuff like that. Obviously this is not done yet, there is quite some work more to do, but on the outside it's starting to come together. I want to install some mud flaps both on the rear and the front. Those are mostly to protect the undercarriage from rocks and that kind of stuff, so it would last longer. But other than that, yeah, it's looking very cool, man. In the future I might also fabricate the roof rack and all this type of stuff, and maybe also install and fabricate the mountings for the winch. But yeah, we will see about that. I will need to get some money first. But yeah, see you in my next videos, mate.